So in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to control a servo motor from a joystick. So I am gonna use an Arduino Uno. This Arduino Uno is connected to a servo motor, and using those potentiometers of the joystick, we are gonna control the position of the servo motor. So in this video, I'm gonna explain the circuit schematics, the setup of the Arduino program, and the setup of the Python program. Now the code for this project is available in the link below, so feel free to download it. In this project, we are going to use an Arduino Uno, a PS3 joystick, and a servo motor. Now, a Python program running on the computer is going to read the value of the potentiometer on the joystick, and it's going to convert it into an angular position in degrees that is going to command the servo motor. So the Python program, after reading the value of the potentiometer, it converts it into angular displacement and sends it through UART into the Arduino Uno. And the Arduino Uno is going to control the servo motor into the corresponding angular position. Now, the servo is connected to the Arduino Uno according to the schematic on the screen. Now, the yellow wire is the control wire of the servo motor, and it's connected to pin number 9 on the Arduino Uno. The red wire of the motor is the 5-volt wire, and it's connected to the 5-volt output of the Arduino Uno. The black wire, and sometimes it's brown, is the ground wire, and it's connected to the ground pin on the Arduino Uno. Now, you have to download the code from the link below. The code from the link below, then unzip it. Inside the folder Servo Joystick Python, you have several folders and files. Inside the folder Arduino Servo through serial, you have the Arduino code. Open it using Arduino IDE. From Tools, choose the port and make sure that you are using the appropriate board. In my case, I'm using Arduino Uno. Then upload the code to your Arduino. Here it is, finished. So right now, open the file Servo Joystick Python using Python IDE. I right click and I open it with Python IDE. Now from Run, choose Run Module. Here you are going to be prompted that you have to have Pygame and PySerial installed in your computer. Press enter. Right now you get the indices of the joysticks attached to the computer. Now I have a PS3 joystick attached at index 0, so put 0 and hit enter. Right now I show you here the circuit and the servo motor, and I'm gonna move the potentiometer of the joystick, and the motor is moving accordingly. You can see the angle in degrees here at the screen.